So my friend is staying here at the Park MGM, so we're gonna check out the room really quickly. It's not gonna be a full and detailed view, but let's take a look. So on the left, when you first enter, is the bathroom. So there's a sink, toilet, shower. Nice big bathroom. And then this door, if you close it to the other side, oh, sorry, is the closet with your closet stuff, and I think your safe is in there, which is nice. Some hotels don't come with a safe, you know. So, all right, and then we have two queen-size beds with a nightstand in the middle. There's an entertainment area on the left-hand side here. Also, there's snacks. Do not pick up those snacks. I think one Fiji bottle is like $18 or something like that. Something crazy like that. And then if I don't run into a table, ran into a thing, over here is the view. I think they get a view of Aria, a little bit of Planet Hollywood, and stuff like that. So comment down below if you're gonna stay there, stay here, or you know,